Hey, it's your girl Zoe, aka Melanated Beauty, back with you guys again with another awesome YouTube video. And today we will be doing an unboxing video. If you've been following me on Instagram, you already know this one was coming. And also in this video, I will be discussing a giveaway, and you will get to see those giveaway prizes. You will also get to get the rules and all of that. I'm pretty sure this video will turn into a part 2, depending on how well this works and how many times I am supposed to use this. This is a teeth whitening kit that I got off of Amazon. And the link for this will be below in the description bar. So make sure you guys check down below for all the details on that. If you like these nails, check out that video on how I did this style. So let's go ahead and jump right on into this thing. Back of it has your warning, blah blah blah. Let's see. It's supposed to work 2 times faster, remove stains. Well, it's 2 times effective and you get fast results. So we gonna see. So it will be a part 2 to this. I'm struggling pushing this out because it's made out. Do I just pop it open? Got it. All right, so this is cute. These spill out, so I'm assuming that's like the little for the tubes to insert the stuff. Ooh, congratulations, you won $40. Okay. It smells all super sterile and stuff, y'all. So let's see. What are instructions? All right, here we go. Here's the instructions. All right, so this is the teeth guard here for top and bottom. Let's see. All right. See if I can get this. This is the UV light. These are the 2 syringes here. All right, so let's read these instructions. Step 1, remove the batteries from the light. Okay. Remove the batteries from the light. For your first use, open the back of the LED light and remove the clear plastic disc from below the batteries. Reinsert the battery side facing up. Replace the battery door and press firmly onto the power to make it turn on. So that's gonna be the first step. Let's do the first step so I don't forget nothing. And okay, it's like all up in there. Like it's like super sterile, y'all. So open. Boop, boop, boop. So I have to pop it out. And this is the piece they were talking about. Oh, y'all hear it? So there we go. So it's just a little piece you had to take out, and then you put the other one back in there. So it's in there. Put the top back on. And hold on. Did I get in there right? I don't think I got in there right. These nails. It's not on there right. Oh, it's not on there right, but clearly it turns on. Let me try to get it on here right with these nails. So it's 2 little things that you have to like line it up with. It's only a struggle for me because of my nails right now. So it's in there. Step 2, attach the mouth tray to the light. Remove the rubber mouth tray from the retainer case and attach it to the front of the light. The tray should be securely attached to the light before whitening. So this is the retainer case with the mouth tray in it. So we're gonna open that up. And because I got nails, I'm just gonna use this here tool again. On the floor. Her done. All right, get it. Still in here, so. All right, so we're gonna finish opening it up. All right, hopefully the whole thing don't pop out. Okay, so it says you're supposed to attach it to this. So this is kind of weird. I don't understand what they mean. Like, how is that supposed to stay on there though? I'm confused. Okay, because it says remove the rubber mouth tray from the retainer case and attach it to the front of the light. But how does it stay on here? Like, hold on. Okay, so on here it has like these little flaps. Because I'm sure, like, how is this going there? So you have to put them in here like this. Do-do-do-do-do. Get in here. I did not think it was gonna be rubber, but obviously I'm putting it in my mouth, so it should be nope. It's not trying to turn it on. Keep turning it on. Okay. It is securely on there. All the way. Step 3, apply gel to the mouth tray. Remove the cap from the gel syringe and fill the inner front surface of the mouth tray on the top and bottom with a total of 0.5 milliliters of gel. Avoid overfilling the tray with gel when finishing. Recap the syringe. All right, and then you insert the light with the tray into your mouth. Brush, floss, and dry your teeth before whitening. I did already do that. So yeah. Insert the light with tray connected into your mouth and over your teeth. Place the tray firmly against your front teeth and wipe any excess gel that may seep from the brim out of your gums. So you have to wear it for 10 minutes. Press the button on the light and wear for 30 minutes. Okay, hold on. Am I supposed to wear for 10 or 30? Press the power button on the light and wear for 30 minutes for best results. The light beeps and shuts off in 10 intervals. For your convenience, if sensitivity or irritation occurs, try whitening for 15 minutes every other day. Okay. And then step 6 is you're going to rinse your mouth. Remove the mouth tray and rinse your mouth with warm water if necessary. Brush your teeth in the mouth tray to remove the excess gel. Avoid eating or drinking that might cause staining for an hour after whitening. Repeat steps 2 to 6 daily. Okay, for 7 to 14 days until desired results are achieved. Whoa, so you can do this daily for 1 to 2 weeks. I think that's pretty interesting. I won't be doing all that. I think my teeth are pretty white. I get a lot of compliments on them. I don't think this is good lighting right now, so yeah. All right, so we're gonna take the syringe out. Now I don't remember what side I opened it. All right, so we're opening it up again. So this must be like a decent amount of gel in here. So, hold on. Because you get 2 of these syringes here. And it goes up to 5. It already goes up to 5. So, okay. Interesting. So how, like, you're supposed to do this how often with this particular gel? Like, this isn't enough. So it comes with these things here. So I'm going to take, looks like you take one of these out and put it onto the syringe. Screw it on there. That's what it looked like, but I don't think so. Okay. Because it kind of looks like the same thing, but then it kind of doesn't, so I'm confused. So, okay, you take that off, and then you pop this one in. and that's what you get. Okay, so because that didn't say that step there, I just looked at that and assumed. Okay, so you put 0.5 total on the surface of the mouth tray, which is on the top and the bottom. So, all right, guys, here we go. Quite interesting. So I guess I'll be doing this twice. All right, so there we go. Okay, putting that on a napkin. So here it is. It's all in there. And I'll be doing this twice. I'll be coming back with an update. So, all right. All right, guys, so 15 minutes have passed. And I said 15 minutes because I only did 15 minutes this time. They say you could go up to 30 minutes or do 15. The first time, if you start to feel any sensitivity or irritation or anything like that, you can stop. It's really nothing but a water-based gel and some peroxide to whiten your teeth, which I don't find to be very harmful. Now, I already have a regimen for brushing my teeth and whitening my teeth, so this was just something I decided to add on in to see if it would actually work, because I've always wanted to do that. I've had braces in the past before when I was younger, so I've had my teeth whitening. I think they did whiten my teeth. But yeah, it was not painful at all. Like I said, my gums did start to feel like a little sensitive. So that is why I only did the 15 minutes instead of the full 30, and it was my first time. Why is my phone moving? So I just wanted to give it a try. So yeah, I basically went ahead and rinsed everything off. I did brush this with my toothbrush to make sure there was like no excess gel in it. So yeah, I will be doing it again in a week. They say you could do it for you could do it twice a week or whatever, but yeah, I may go ahead and try again next week and see if I get some real results, but I don't see any results right now. You know, just my personal opinion. I don't think it was bad. I think it was nice for the price for sure. So I will go ahead and do it again. So there will be a part 2 to this video. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right on into this giveaway. What will I be giving away for my first giveaway, guys? All right, so we're gonna start off with the rules of the giveaway. The rules of the giveaway is you have to like this video, okay? You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel and send me the screenshot that you have liked and subscribed to my channel on my Instagram page. You have to send those 2 screenshots to my Instagram page at Melanated Beauty, okay? And the third rule is you have to comment done in the comment box below on this video when you have done those steps. So giveaway items, I have some shower steamers. What? It's basically an at-home spa giveaway, okay? Shower steamers, they're like bath bombs, but they go in the shower. I have some wax strips. Y'all have seen these before because I've tested them out myself. in this video. Then I also have teeth whitening kit. This one has 3 pins instead of 2 that I have in mind. Also, I have some acne wash, face wash, okay? And then I have these spa gloves. They are for your hands and your feet. So kick up and relax. They're reusable too. I have some of these, my mom has some of these, my sister has some of these, and they really make your hands really smooth. They make your feet, your heels, all of that good stuff really, really smooth. So these are my giveaway items. Depending on who my winner is, I might throw in a little extra something. So it is Sunday. I will be announcing the giveaway winner on Monday, okay? The cutoff time for your entry will be on Sunday, okay? The night before is when you have to make sure you send me those screenshots, comment, done, all of that good stuff, okay? So giveaway starts today. You can start sending me your stuff today, and you have all the way till next Sunday, and I will announce the winner on my live, okay? I will announce the winner on my Instagram live on Monday. I will do that for you guys. I'll inbox you and let you know you are the winner, okay? So it's all right. You don't have to be tuned into the live to know that you're the winner, but hey, why not tune in, okay? So you saw the giveaway items. You have the rules. The rules will be below in the description bar as well. So good luck, and stay tuned for part 2 of this video on the teeth whitening. All right, peace, love, and hair grease.